Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change the time using command prompt. In the Windows search bar, type CMD. From the results, right-click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. The Administrator command prompt window will open on your desktop. To change the current time, type time and press enter. Your current system time will be displayed and you will be prompted to enter a new time. Enter the new time in the format shown and press enter. The system time has now been updated. If you want to restore the original or correct time, type time again and press enter. Enter the correct time and press enter. The changes will be saved immediately. This is how you can change the time using command prompt. Thank you for watching.